Mga kamus at mga kapamilya, nandito na ang buong cast natin ng Ghosting. Ayan, maraming salamat everyone. And let's ask for a quick photo op and a message, syempre, no? From the whole cast. So mag-hi muna tayo sa lahat. Let's start with Zach.
Hello po, mga kapamilya. Short but sweet, ha? Hello po sa lahat ng mga pumunta dito. Salamat po sa pagsuporta sa Ghosting at sa JMPiang sa amin lahat. Sana po ma-enjoy nyo ang Ghosting tulad po ng paggawa namin ito.
Hello po mga kapamilya. Thank you so much for coming out today. And I really hope you guys enjoy the show that we made. Very excited. Super excited.
Hi everybody! Alright. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito sa special screening ng Ghosting. Sa mamaya kasi gustong-gusto din po namin na panoorin mamaya with you guys. Thank you! Hello po! Magandang gabi! Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. I'm Miss Ivana. Maraming salamat po sa pag-accept ng invitation kay Meme Vice, Jolie, and Colette. Ayan, maraming salamat and maraming salamat po sa mga inasal, Dearface, Skintific, Mobile Legend, Prestige, ano ba? Brilliant! Maraming salamat po.
And maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo lahat. And of course, gusto rin namin pasalamatan ang ating I Want family. Kay Kuya EJ, directed, kay Miss Cathy, and Direk Re. Maraming salamat sa buong prod, sa buong crew. And of course, maraming salamat po sa pagtitiwala sa amin para sa first project na ito.
Ayan! Maraming salamat po din kay Sir Jamie Lopez. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And kay Direk Lauren. Thank you!
Thank you. Gateway Mall 2, ulit palakpakan natin ang cast ng Ghosting! Let's have one more photo together. Ayan. Compress po tayo. And finally, mapapanood na natin ang inaabangan natin for a couple of months already, ang Ghosting. Ayan. Let's have one more photo up over here para sa cast po natin. Ang ganda ng mga outfits nila, ayan na.
Yes, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, diba Jay? Sobrang it's giving mga stars ng galaxy.
Yes, on
diba?
theme talaga sila for tonight. Ayan.
O, diba?
There you go. More photos from left and right. Thank you so much.
Yes, congratulations again to our cast of Ghosting. We are so excited. Grabe. Once again, this is JMPiang's first ever digital.
Alright, thank you so much. And I think our cast can actually proceed to their seats.
Yes, go ahead guys.
Yes, thank you so much.
There you go again. A big shout out to our head of ABS-CBN Digital. Hello, Sir Jamie Lopez. Also, Sir Jolly is here as well.
Sir Jolly, yes.
Yes.
Our executives from iWant. Thank you so much. And we would also like to acknowledge, of course, Direk Lauren Jogi once again, the head of Star Magic and Entertainment Production. Nandito rin, of course, is Sir Jolly. Sir Jolly, thank you so much for being here tonight. We have Jane Chua, the head of content and partnership. Joyce Villaflor, head of content and programming. We have Sir Mark Ile, the content production head. We have Miss Amy Sumalde, the executive producer for iWant. We have to thank EJ Malyari, the program producer of Ghosting, and Cathy San Pablo, supervising producer of Ghosting as well. So you can see our cast members finally settling in. Ready na sila. Grabe, ready na lahat ng supporters. Of course, once again, nandiyan ang mga Jello A supporters ni V, nandito na rin as well. And I think it's time to lead our prayer. Nandito pa si V. Alright. While everyone is settling in.
Muli po, para po sa mga press, lamang po ang ating quick press huddle for tonight. Sa lahat po ng mga fans, pwede po tayo mag-exit. Sa lahat po ng mga marshals, natin pa-assist na lang po tayo na maka-exit po sa ating venue.
Kami po magtatanong.
Miss Gio Ocampo, Miss Melda Rosario, thank you so much. Miss Cathy San Pablo, thank you po.
Game. Congratulations, guys. Pwede bang isa-isa?
Of course, our production designer, Jay Locanano, is here. Thank you so much.
First time nyo rin napanood yung pilot episode, starting with Zach.
Ano, sobrang na-excite ako. Kasi, yun nga, very supportive ako sa first. Seriously, like, ever since lumabas yun,